Welcome back to the second part of this shapewear series. We have talked about tummy tuckers in the part 1. Just in case you've missed it or are new to the channel, please go ahead and check it out. Why you should be listening to me? Well, apart from being a NIF graduate, I have been researching on lingerie forever, and I do work in the women's body wear industry for over a decade. I'll also put a LinkedIn just in case you want to check out. For a lot of you, this question will arise: Nilakshi, tummy tuckers le liye hai, why are we wanting to buy bodysuit? A lot of us will chase this kind of silhouette and expect the magic to happen. Now, if you see, most of our tummy tuckers come in with bones, even the higher compression ones, या corset वाले भी अगर आप पहन लो, they're only going to work just the amount of space that's there here. So a lot of bulging can happen upper and niche. Depends on how your weight is distributed. In India, I see a lot more women in a apple body type or in a pear body type. Now, that's where the weight is distributed. We like to believe that we're an hourglass, but most of the times we're not. So that's where your shapewear can come in to create that sort of illusion, I would say. For bodysuits, they also come in a variety of fabrics. First one, Indian shapewear called the Derma wear. They have an amazing range of wear and bodysuit. It has lasted me for more than 7 years. You can wear this one thing and not worry about having to wear anything else. Comes with an inbuilt cup sort of a situation, adjustable strap, so I don't really need to wear a bra again, and then it opens up like a bra as well, and it has this gap. So agar aapki dress mein koi cut hai and it has sleeve like this, like cut sleeves, seams are super supportive. The compression is moderate, not so much, and it is still the thigh. Now, the best part about it is that it has no gusset. I prefer to wear an underwear under this also because it just feels a little too empty and I feel a little too exposed. So this is not for everyone. In a lot of my clients who are above 45 and incontinence is an issue and they want to go to the washroom, so this comes in really handy. If I want to be super comfortable, then I go for a fabric which is a cotton and a spandex mixed, which is what most of the brands in India are doing today. I really like it because you can change up the straps, you can add your beaded fun straps, or you can have it strapless. Again, wearing a bra underneath this is an option and it comes till your thighs. I prefer with the thigh compression, and what I really enjoy is this one by Marks and Spencer. So when I used to go to teach full time at Pearl, and if I'm wearing like a lot of bodycon dresses, no sleeves like these but like longer, and has this shoulder piece that can accommodate my bra, panel is comfortable enough that it keeps me cinched in, but I can wear my own bra. So if I want to wear, say, a fancier bra inside it, I'm happy to do it. Again, how do I pee in it? It comes with these hooks that I can easily open up, and I find this to be much more comfortable. It is a full coverage one, and can you look at the panels of it, and that's what really gives it that compression. Now, all of the shapewear that I'm going to be listing down in the description box are going to have a description of the kind of compression that they have. तो आपको वो समझना है and उसके हिसाब से लेना है. Try and buy something which matches or is a close match to your skin tone. My mother bought this for me. One is from Marks and Spencer's. I wear a lot of low cut tops, right? My mother obviously wants me to have the modesty. So this one is a very light, almost not there kind of a fabric, and it has quite modest necklines for front and the back, and it is laser cut, so it's not very visible, again with a gusset opening. What should be worn and what to avoid with full body suits. So lehengas, pantsuits ke साथ आप पहन सकते हो, but it'll cut off at the thigh, so that's not a good look. You want to go for something which does not have the thigh support, and anything which is going to be exposing your midriff. Now, what do you want to wear it with? Mostly with gowns, strapless or off the shoulder gowns and dresses, bodycons. I also have options for pantsuits, and if I'm not really in Bombay ka weather, if I just want to wear like blazer and pants and want to have something inside, I have an option for that as well. Something which keeps you cinched in. If you are in Bombay and Delhi or even Bangalore, we're considering it. We'll be doing a lot of confidence clinic workshop throughout the year 2026. If you want to do a personal one-on-one consultation, I can do a body mapping, a shapewear and a lingerie consultation. So whether you're a bride, a working mom, or just wanting to build confidence, I'm here. We can do it one-on-one. See you soon in the part 3, wherein I will be decoding what really does a shorty or a thigh shaper do.